Pwede ako airport. Sa airport na tayo. Si Mamang Guard. Aray ko.
Hello, Kaiser!
Oh, sa wakas bumaba na. Let's go. Kuya.
Miss na kita.
Miss na. A-house. Pabili po. Pabili burger. Yes, pabili ng burger. Kaiser.
Kaiser?
Ginagawa mo dyan.
Kinukuha lang yung Legos.
Pabili burger kay. Hala, sira na yun.
Kaiser? Ano kaya luto ko? Ano luto? Sira? Egg? Uy, soup to. Pwede ko kain ng soup.
Wow, very good, Kaiser. Play Lego. Lego. Napag mo dito. Ganyan. Oh. 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 Very good naman yan. Ah. Ito. Ito ah. Here. Oops, nahulog. Wow. Lego ito. Wow. Aba at. Yan na guys, aakit na kami sa airplane. Hello, bye-bye. Puerto Princesa. Kami ay aakyat na sa airplane. Kami ay uwi na ng Manila. Woo! Hindi na ako makikita sa usok. Nanay, may usok na. Hala! Para para tayo.
Pagi.
Gagalit na yan si Kaiser. Guys, grabe yung usok.
Captain Armin Bawa. Our flight time is approximately an hour and 15 minutes. Ang lipat na ito ay pinangunan ni Kapitan Bakal sa tulong ni Kapitan Bawa. Tayo pa nilipat na mula isang oras at 15 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of
vlog, andito na kami sa bus. Kababa na kami ng airplane galing ng Puerto Princesa. Dito na kami sa Maynila. Nakasama namin na isang bata na sa likod. Ayan. Sa baba. Dito na kami. Manila, here we come. Hilain mo nga yung hindi na mahina. Naka-ano eh. Saan nyo yun? Malalaki ng mga ano. AirAsia. Lagi ko masakyan ng AirAsia pag mag-uwi ako sa amin sa Bacoor.
Mura lang kasi ang AirAsia. Yun ang pinakamura.
Naalala.
Red? Ha?
Hindi, parang hindi talaga yun ang tunay.
Di ba kapatid ni Ivy?
Aileen ata.
Kapatid ni Ivy yun, di ba? O Makati. Kapatid ni Ivy yun, di ba?
Aileen.
Eh,
Basta red. Red din, red.
Wala pa sila.